So we essentially watched the price of XRP do nothing yesterday. Even though Bitcoin almost set an all-time high, we had altcoins running hot. XRP just stuck right now, sitting at 51, 52 cents. So what's going on with the XRP price? And how can we see the XRP price break out from current price levels? What are some scenarios that could play out in the near term and in kind of the longer term going into 2025, maybe even into 2026, that could help us propel the price of XRP? That's the topic of discussion in this video, guys. Drop your X's in the chat. I know the XRP army always comes out here strong. Let's get this video up over 1,000 likes. I know we can do it. Links down below to XT Algo too, if you guys want to know when the price is breaking out, just like we knew right here back in July, where we had that momentum up. We haven't had one of those in a while, but when it happens, you'll know. So XT Algo, easy trading made simple. This is my trading indicator. It's a 30-day money back guarantee too, guys. So no questions asked on that. You could try it risk-free for 30 days. Works with all the top cryptos, all the top stocks. But without further ado, let's get into it, because there are obvious reasons why XRP's price has not exploded. And it has to do with the appeal, right? The SEC versus Ripple appeal tanked the price of XRP in the short term and is really kind of keeping it, in the balance right now. The appeal could linger until 2026. This is coming in from several analysts like Crypto Pal, but they also remain confident about a potential price explosion for the coin. Now, there are some things that could change this narrative pretty quickly, okay? And that is, if we were to get legal clarity, potentially after this election, with the changing of the guard at the SEC, this could be really, really nice for XRP. Now, several analysts have remained confident about a spike for XRP, even despite being in this lawsuit or this appeal. And XRP's legal clarity right now remains the major factor that could trigger an explosion in the coin's price. Recall this, okay? When XRP was deemed a security back in late 2020, the price was depressed for a while. Once it received legal clarity on the retail side, back in July of last year, we saw XRP almost surge all the way up to $1. The ruling that Judge Torres declared, XRP in itself being not a security, it was back on exchanges. That ended a multi-year debate about the coin's status. Now, these are some other factors. So factor number one is we need more clarity on XRP. We need a changing of the guard at the SEC. Guidelines and guardrails need to be put up. We need to know exactly what's what, whether Ripple's going to pay this final fine or whatever it is, and be done. That's step number one. Now, obviously, we've got some other factors that could boost XRP's value here. One being payment utility. And we know that they already have this utility outside the United States. But expanding this in the West, in the US, and into Europe would be a really big deal. Ripple's efficient payment solution, ODL, now Ripple Payments, utilizes XRP currently as a bridge currency. Since the inception of the payment solution, multiple financial institutions are already leveraging XRP through ODL to move value. If we see this continue, especially in the United States, with clarity on the lawsuit, this could definitely help XRP's price. Obviously, we're also going to need positive sentiment from governments and community and retail. XRP currently has continued to receive positive sentiment among its community members, but there are a lot of people, I think, on the sidelines waiting for, the SEC versus Ripple lawsuit to conclude in order to really invest. And then we have XRP ETFs. They didn't mention one on this list too that I'll mention at the end. But XRP ETFs, very, very interesting here, because despite the lawsuit, we've had multiple companies, Grayscale, Canary Capital, and Bitwise, all make a bid toward an XRP spot exchange-traded fund. This would be a big deal because all of a sudden now the institutional investors, we've seen what it's done to the price of Bitcoin. This is what they want. They want to go through their trusted broker and get exposure to these assets. So like Grayscale is putting together their bid to make their large cap fund, which includes Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Avalanche, and XRP, into an ETF. This would break the floodgates. I think we'd see XRP, its price probably 2 to 3x over a 4 to 6 month stretch with an ETF. Now, if this were to happen, post-election, and we get a changing of the guards at the SEC, there's a chance that we could see XRP ETFs in 2025. But all of this, I think, hinges on when do we get full clarity? When is this Ripple versus SEC lawsuit completely over? That's really what it comes down to. Then all of these other things, I think, could spark price rallies, XRP ETFs, positive sentiment, and payment utility. They didn't mention the Ripple stablecoin on here. That, too, is a positive catalyst for us moving forward. So these are some of the things to consider when we talk about XRP's price. And you guys know this. I keep it 100 with you guys. There are a lot of people on here who will tell you XRP's going to $1,000 or XRP's going to $500 tomorrow. I'm not the hype moon boy. I give it to you straight, right? And right now, the XRP's price, it's not going to move. XRP's price is not going to move dramatically. We have resistance up at 66 cents. So I will play that game, right, in terms of the short-term swing to the upside, from current price levels here at like 51 cents going up to, 66. I've done that, repeatedly here over the past 3-4 months. That's how I'm playing the market. Otherwise, when it comes to XRP, I've got my long-term position. Just got to sit back, be patient, and wait this thing out. I wish I could tell you more, right? But that's kind of where we are right now with XRP and its price. So appreciate you guys for watching. Let me know your thoughts down below. We'll see you guys in the next video.